And in user testing, you ask your participants what they think about some stuff, maybe your website or maybe a header image. And the question, of course, is what they answer, is that the truth? And to show you a bit that maybe isn't always the case, this psychologist set up an experiment. And he asked the participants to say which one of those two ladies they would like to date with. So the left one or the right one. And as you can see, they are clearly different. And the left one has long hair and the right one has shorter hair and maybe some earrings as well. So the participant in this case says, yeah, I would like to date the lady on the left with the long hair. And like a good illusionist, the research leader puts the cards down and gives them back. But what he does, unnoticed, is he gives the wrong picture back. So instead of the picture that he chose, he gave the picture back that he didn't choose. And now, of course, the big question is how many people notice this? And of course, most of my questions are trick questions, except for this one, because 87% of the participants said like, hey, that's not the one I've chosen. But the interesting part is about the 13% of people that didn't notice it. They didn't notice that the images were swapped. And now they were going to explain like, yeah, why did they choose this picture? And instead of saying, yeah, I like the girl because of the long hair, they said like, yeah, no, because I like girls with short hair and I like when they wear earrings and all that stuff. So they started lying about why they've chosen this picture because they didn't know it anymore. And it's really handy to keep in mind if you're doing user testing, that when somebody doesn't know what they think or how they feel, they will give a reason, because the last thing they want to do is say like, I don't know why I've chosen this. And this happens unconsciously. This is not a conscious decision that they are willing to lie, that's the thing that they want to do. It's just subconsciously they start to make up something. So keep this in mind when you're doing user testing.